The best streaming device for your TV in 2022. The best streaming stick lets you stream TV shows and movies to your TV through the HDMI port on the back. Sometimes called a streaming stick or streaming media stick, these premium streaming sticks let you add apps to your TV like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, HBO Max, and more. They often come with a voice or remote assistant integration so you can navigate through menus. In this video, we're going to discuss the best streaming device for your TV in 2022. But before we get started, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Roku Express. The Roku Express is a wonder of a streaming device. While it caps at full HD streaming, it still packs a wide range of streaming apps on the excellent Roku platform at an incredibly cheap price. In our review, we called it one of the most user-friendly products on the market. The Roku remote is pretty iconic these days. It's not as fancy as the Alexa voice remote that ships with the Amazon Fire TV stick, but it's pleasingly simple in its own way, with chunky, highly visible buttons. The Roku remote also featured dedicated shortcuts to key apps long before Amazon. We can't stress enough how simple the Roku OS is to navigate. There's a reason it carries over to TCL Roku and Hisense Roku TVs alike, with well-arranged tile icons for easy navigation and free advertising. Compatible with the Roku channel platform. Number 4. Chromecast with Google TV. Google's Chromecast with Google TV in 2020 is a revelation, fixing something that wasn't broken and improving an almost perfect technology in a tangible way. And all thanks to the remote control and Google's new software, Google TV. Combined, the two offer a massive increase in usability over previous Chromecasts that required you to use your phone or tablet to cast content instead of giving you an on-screen interface to interact with. Now that Google has added a dedicated TV interface that you control with a remote, you have instant access to most major streaming services including Disney+, HBO Max, and even its main competitor streaming app Amazon Prime Video. On top of that, there are a number of apps that have been carried over from Android TV, Google TV's predecessor, bringing games and productivity apps to the streamer. The result is a revamped streaming device that may look like its predecessors, but offers a whole new experience that's easier to use for people who are used to using a remote control and easy to navigate interface. The classic functionality of Google Cast is always simple and easy to use, and it works in literally thousands of applications. Number 3. Nvidia TV Shield, 2019. Triple the cost of entry-level 4K HDR streaming players, Nvidia Shield TV isn't cheap, but it's an incredibly powerful streaming player thanks to its cutting-edge AI enhancement technology and support for HDR10 and Dolby Vision content. With it, you'll also get the revamped Shield remote and the latest version of Android TV, which serves as the gateway to Nvidia's game streaming service GeForce Now. But the feature that puts it way ahead of the competition is Nvidia's new AI scaling feature. It's one of the best features on any streaming device right now. It is powered by a neural network that has been trained using thousands of hours of footage and can greatly enhance content, making HD content from the last 20 years look like it was shot earlier this year on a video camera. 4K. It's wild. What was the result when we started broadcasting? In our Nvidia Shield review, we wrote, "In our time with the new Shield, we watched a multitude of content, from run-of-the-mill videos on YouTube to HD TV shows, like some great-looking Dolby Vision content like Netflix. Everything which looked impressive on the TCL 6 Series Quantum, currently on our test bench." Number 2. Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. The Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite is a smart buy for those on a budget. But at a lower price than many rivals on the list, you have to be willing to accept some of its compromises compared to the Fire TV Stick 2020 or Fire TV Stick 4K. This HD streamer doesn't deliver brilliant 4K detail, but you do get the basics of HDR and HDR10+ support, as well as 60 FPS playback for smooth action in a blockbuster movie or sports game. During our test, we noticed that the 1.7 GHz quad-core processor feels like a significant step up from the 1.3 GHz processor using in the second-gen Fire Stick TV as well. You're also sacrificing volume controls and AV controls on the remote for a lower price. However, this is not irregular for streamers on the budget end of the scale, and you may not even notice them missing. Number 1. Apple TV 4K, 2021. The Apple TV 4K in 2021 is a sleek streaming stick that can play 4K video in HDR and Dolby Vision. It also supports high frame rate HDR, so fast action and sports look smooth and clear. During our tests, we felt that the new A12 processor definitely ups Apple's game here, with improved visuals and power for both TV and gaming, great for Apple Arcade subscribers who like to play games in their living room. The revamped Siri remote is also a pure joy to use, and there are plenty of small but useful features, like multi-user support and the ability to adjust your TV's color balance automatically. In our review, we wrote, "If you watch a lot of videos that feature fast-moving action, for example sports, then Apple TV 4K's 2021 high frame rate capability will ensure your viewing experience is super smooth." There's no denying that it is expensive. It's more than just a way to watch movies and TV shows, though, as it doubles as a smart hub with Thread smart home technology that lets your smart home devices from different manufacturers work together more seamlessly. That's all, and thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.